In this example, we're going to look at exponential decay. So the efficiency of a machine decreases by 3% per year. When the efficiency drops below 75%, the machine is no longer economically viable, i.e. they would have to get rid of it. For how long is the machine economically viable? So we start this off the same way. We need a starting point and initial efficiency, so we'll call that U of 0. It doesn't need to be U0, you could call it M0 or whatever you like there, really. So after 1 year, what's happening to the initial efficiency of the machine? Well, it's dropping by 3%. So if we drop by 3%, then our multiplier is 0.97. So to get the efficiency after 1 year, you multiply the initial efficiency by 0.97. To get the second year's efficiency, you take year 1's and multiply it by 0.97 again. But thinking about the initial value, you've multiplied by 0.97 and then 0.97 again, so 0.97 squared. The same as the last example if you watched the rabbit population. And in year 3, we take year 2's efficiency and multiply it by 0.97 again, which is effectively taking u of 0 and multiplying it by 0.97 again, which makes you have a cube here. So the formula after n years, u of n equals 0.97 to the power n u of 0. u of 0 being initial efficiency and u of n being efficiency now. So exactly the same type as the last question, except for reducing this time by 3% instead of increasing. Now, let's look at the question. We have to find out when the efficiency drops below 75%. So in the last example, we needed a multiplier of 3 or bigger. In this one, to have an efficiency of 75%, this multiplier part needs to be 0.75. So it needs to be below 0.75. So we've got less than or equal to 0.75. So suppose in this case drops below 75%, really you shouldn't have a less than or equal to. I'll change that just to a less than sign actually. There we go. So we have to use trial and error again to work this out. When's this multiplier going to drop below 0.75? I have tried 7 to start here. Again, you could pick any number. If you do pick one straight away that's less than 0.75, make sure you check the one below. So if you picked 9 for example and that worked, then check 8 just to make sure that might work as well. Okay, so 7 didn't work, it's too high, so let's try 8 and we get 0.78. That's too high. Let's try 9, 0.76, that's too high again. 10, okay, that's lower than 0.75. Now, when you're doing this, make sure you give your answers to 2 decimal places here at least. Okay. Now the machine should be replaced after 10 years.